the second largest fire in Texas history. It has burned 8,50,000 acres, upland north of the city of Amarillo. Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a disaster declaration for 60 countries. Dry gas, high temperatures, and strong winds have fueled the congestion. It Hudson County, one of the hardest hit areas. Public engagement coordinator Deidre Thomas told CNN on person had died in the blaze, although she did not name the victim. The Texas A&M Forest Service said that the winds had diminished slightly, helping to moderate the fire spread. It remains 3% contained as of Wednesday afternoon. However, rain was expected in the state's northern panhandle on Thursday, which may aid efforts to extinguishing the blaze. In the meantime, hundreds of firefighters and first responders have been deployed to the fire, said Christensen, the spokesman of Texas Division of Emergency Management said. The Smokehouse Creek Fire, as it has been named, has already razed half of millions acres. The remains behind the East Amarillo Complex fire, which burned over 9 lakh acres in 2006. The Smokehouse